Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make super easy and delicious barbecue ribs in the oven. So if you want to learn how I make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. I'm going to begin by making my dry rub, and that's just by mixing 5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of coarse salt, 2 teaspoons of chipotle powder, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, and oregano. Just mix it all together, and here you can taste it and see if you want your rub to be a little spicier or sweeter. Okay, so once we have that, now we can prepare our ribs. So here I have 2 racks of baby back ribs. I already cleaned them. I'm just going to be removing the membrane that's behind the rib. Okay, once we remove that, pat them completely dry on both sides. And I'm going to be using some liquid smoke as my binder, but of course you can always use mustard. Just rub it all over the rib. And I use 2 tablespoons of the rub on each side of the rib. And just make sure that you press it down. Do the same to the other side. Okay, so once we have our rib, we can transfer it in foil. I like to use 2 pieces of foil for my ribs. And just create kind of like a tent. And here we're going to be adding 1/4 of a cup of cherry Coke. Or you can use apple juice. Just put it on the sides. Now grab the ends. Overlap the rib. Grab the sides. And make sure that it is tightly filled. Just like that. Repeat with the other rack of ribs. Okay, now place your ribs in a baking sheet and allow them to rest for 1 hour. Okay, so after 1 hour, we're going to put our ribs in the oven at 275 degrees and allow them to bake for 1 hour and a half. Alrighty guys, so after 1 hour and a half, we're going to carefully open our ribs. Okay, that already smells delicious. Now here we're going to drizzle our honey. Going to add some brown sugar and 4 tablespoons of butter on each rack. Going to cover it again. Do the same to the other rack. Okay, so now we're going to return it back in the oven and allow it to continue baking for another hour and a half. Okay, so after 1 hour and a half, we're going to get our ribs out of the oven and turn up the heat to 350 degrees. Now we're just going to unwrap our ribs. Okay, now here we're going to drizzle our favorite barbecue sauce. Just brush it. And now we're going to take it back to the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Alright guys, so after 30 minutes, we're just going to get our ribs out of the oven and allow them to rest. Alrighty guys, and after about 15 minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. They're so delicious, so tender. It's honestly the best. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Just look at that. So good. I could eat the whole rack by myself. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home, my super easy and delicious barbecue ribs in the oven. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.